Okay friends, now I will share to you how to create a virtual lighter with Python and only with tkinter. But before, don't forget to subscribe in this channel. Okay, so now I was writing here from tkinter import. This is for the create a window. Okay, and then root mainly. This is for create an empty window. And now I will set the background of the window. So root busy, and I can write in here the background was orange and now I can write in here root min size for set the size of the window when it was appear. For the height I want to use, okay, and then for the width in 1100. Then I can create a title. This title was a text, correct? I want to write in here virtual lighter, virtual lighter, and then I can set the font in here. I want to use in here Times New Roman, and then I want to use the size of the text 50, and I can set the position of text beside on top, and we can try to run this. Okay, we can wait for the response. Okay, so I must write the background. This is, I must change the background of the text to the dark orange. Orange. And then now I want to tell you that in here I use 4 picture, by 1, by 2, lecture 1, lecture 2, and I create this picture with paint, so you can create your own, and then you can use tkinter to make animation. So first write I must write to import image. So image 1 for photo image, and then image, and then for the file, the first file I want to use, I must copy the location, then I pass in here and I can write the image name in the right side. So we can copy this and then paste. And now I can write the first image name like one PNG. Okay, you can import the PNG and GIF, but don't import ZPG in the tkinter because it will show the error if you use the ZPG. But you can convert to PNG before you import to this, and then I can change the image to the image 2 and then the file name. Okay, but I want, okay, no problem. 3, and then to the file 1. This is my file name, that if if and then now we can pass another and change to image 4, and then change it to file 2, and then the file format GIF, and then you can write the first level to import the image. So you can write root and then oh, label plus label and then root, and then I want to use the names image 1, and label 1 place, and I can use it here. Okay, for the horizontal I want to use, okay, and then for the vertical, and then this is the first image, and I want to create the button, arrow, and then text. I will not write anything here, but I will set the font, the font was same, so I will copy the font, but the size I will change to 20. Okay, just 20, and then I will change the background option to the dark orange, and now I will set the bottom place. For the horizontal I want to use, and then for the vertical, now after I click the button I want something happen, so I must create the command. So click one, I want to and then okay, but you can change to the image tool, and then because of the same place I will copy also the position. Now we will see what happened. I will write in your command to click on command. It will run the command click on. Now we will see the result before we continue. Okay, we'll wait for the response. Okay, I must change the background to the dark red, and then active background also dark red. So the button color must be same like the lighter color. Also active background dark red. Now we can run again. Okay. So now we must relieve it to, flat. Okay, so after this, I want to import the fire fire image. So after this level 2 actor, it must be go to another command after 100. The second it will go to the click to command. But we must create click to command because we haven't right now. So click and then we can copy this. Okay, for the variable level 2 didn't problem if we don't change it. You need to change this. And then we also need to go to another but quickly. And then copy this. Quickly. And then change it to image form. Okay. After this we must change the place because the fireplace is different from another. After level 2 I want to destroy. Uh, 700. In a second I want to destroy this level 2. So level 2 destroy, and after this it will go to in here, and then I want to destroy also level this level. So copy in here and then destroy level 2 destroy, and then I'll pass in here also, and then level 2 destroy. So this is, we must change also the background to the dark orange. Okay, after this we can run and then we can see the result. Okay, we wait for the response. It will going to finish, and when you click it, okay, you will forget to destroy this. It must be level 2 destroy, and then okay, for this we can copy these two functions, and then we can pass in, okay, no, until 2, and then we can pass, and you only need to change the digits to pick 4, and then digits to pick 5, and after that you can write in here the command to click 4, and then digits to click 5. Okay, and then it will be destroyed. We can see the result. I think it is almost done, and when we click it, okay, why now we will see that it will go to the quick one, and then we can delete this. Now you can see, I think it have done. You can wait for the response. Okay, you see that when you click it. Okay, okay, so for the click one, after go to click one, it will destroy the level 2, and it will go to click 2, and then to the click 5, and after click 5, it will destroy itself. But why it haven't destroyed? I think we must change the level to level 3, different level, I think. We'll try 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. 4 and then this is level 3, and in here level 5, 5, 5, 5, and here level 5, and then 6, 6, 6, 6. So we can run again. So it is not destroyed. Why it is not destroyed? So we can see in here, after from level 1 it will go to the level 2, and then go to the level 3, go to the level 4. Okay, so click 3 and then go to click 4 and then this go to the click 5. So this is the mistake. I know it will be work and it will be done. It will be done here. Okay, now you can see this is your virtual lighter, but we can change the this to the, okay, make it bigger, and then you can see this is most bigger area. So when you click it, okay, the fire come out for the from the lighter. So don't forget to subscribe in this channel and see you next time.